Before the cities, before the empires, before even the pyramids, there were the Khoisan. The first people. The ancient storytellers of the land. The oldest surviving human lineage, dating back over 200,000 years. Their DNA carries whispers of our earliest ancestors, a living link to the dawn of humanity. The Khoisan are a collective name for two distinct groups, the KhoiKhoi and the San. The San are the original hunter-gatherers, moving with the seasons in harmony with nature. The KhoiKhoi, also called the Hottentots, by early European settlers, later adopted pastoralism, herding livestock as they roamed the plains. Over time, their cultures intertwined, and they came to be known collectively as the Khoisan. Found across the South African region, the Khoisan have lived for millennia in what is now South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Angola, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. In the vast, untamed landscapes of southern Africa, the Khoisan continue to thrive as hunters, gatherers, and pastoralists. Their way of life remains deeply intertwined with nature, their survival guided by an ancient knowledge of the land, the stars, and the spirits of their ancestors.